I do want to acknowledge Mr. Sandeep Thapar from NY Hopper doing a fabulous job getting the word out to local community and the media about what we're doing and to ensure that our voices are being heard. So thank you.
Good day, everyone. I'm Dinsel George, President of Flower Park Belrose Indian Merchant Association, inviting you all to join us on August 15th for the great Indian Independence Parade of Queens, 11th Parade of Queens, 80th of our nation. Come and join us, be a part of it. Let's do it together. Thank you.
India Day Parade, 15th of August. Please come and join us. Thank you.
I have Dr. Mariam Singh with me, who is one of the organizers of this India Day Parade. So, Mariam, tell us something about the preparations that are going on for this parade.
Well, the whole team is working day and night to make sure we have a successful parade, especially getting all our businesses, our partners, our local community members, nonprofit organizations, law enforcement, healthcare workers, everybody from India supporting India. Even if you're not from India but supporting the whole community, come out, enjoy. We're going to make sure Hillside Avenue has the Taranga in place, the saffron, the green, the white, and we're going to march saying Jai Hind and Chak De India.
Hello, good evening. I'm Dr. Hari Shukla. I'm a professor of pediatrics at NYU Langon, and I'm in practice for 41 years. I invite all of you to India Day Parade on Hillside Avenue in Queens.
Hi, this is Kirti Shukla. Please come and join the India Day Parade on Hillside Avenue. We welcome you all and will be very happy to see you there. Vande Matram. Jai Hind.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Neil Narayan. I'm the president for the NYCD Desi Society. We're gathered here today with the Flower Park Belrose Indian Merchants Association to celebrate the 11th annual Queens India Day Parade, which will be held on Saturday, August 15th, 2026 from 268th Street and Hillside Avenue. Please come out and support.
Hi, I'm Assemblyman Ed Bronstein, and I'm here to thank the Floral Park Belrose Indian Merchants Association and all the volunteers for their hard work for making sure our community can celebrate Indian Independence Day 2026 in a big way out in the community with a great parade. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to Saturday.
Event. My name is Officer Chopra from President of New York City Department of Corrections Desi Society. It's an honor to be here amongst great friends. Preparation for the Indian event that's going to happen on Saturday. Please come out and enjoy.
हेलो सत श्री अकाल जी मेरा नाम सतनाम सिंह पढ़ाड़ है कि ये सैटरडे जी परेड हो रही है ये अबाउट 268 स्ट्रीट तो शुरू होनी है तो इतने लिटल लैक पार्क भी खत्म होनी हिल साइड से तो सारे आप ते सारे परिवार समेत पहुँचो एंड मेक अस अवेयर ऑफ नॉट अस द कमिंग जनरेशन टू know the freedom of India.
It is a great event that Indian diaspora in America is organizing an independence parade here.
Aaron Murphy, Fraternal Order of Police, New York City Department of Corrections. On behalf of the men and women of New York City Department of Corrections, Fraternal Order of Police, I thank FBIMA for inviting us to this beautiful event. And I'm looking forward to coming back year after year. And I hope you have a wonderful and safe parade.
Yeah, I'm happy to know that India Parade is happening in connection with the Independence Day celebration. And I wish you all the best for that. Naturally, we are proud of our great motherland, India. The speciality of our India is unity in diversity. That is the speciality of our India. So I wish all the very best.
Namaste, welcome. We'd like to invite each and every one to come on August 15th to our parade. And you don't have to be Indian to enjoy the Indian Independence Day Parade. Everybody is welcome.
थोड़ा जोर से
Okay. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Okay. Yeah. Push it. It goes.
This evening, I would like to introduce our chairman, and as you know, he is a very, I should say he's a workaholic. He is always trying to remind everyone of